Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the Shadow Cruiser 260 RVS. An amazing floor plan with lots of windows and a huge bathroom. Shadow Cruiser itself is full aluminum framed in the sidewalls, outside kitchen, big power awning. In fact, as you can see, it almost goes the full length of the trailer. When we go up front here, you're going to see a bigger, wider, taller underbelly storage, electric jacks front and rear. It comes equipped with solar and a charge controller. Huge pantry, that is deep space, like you could stack boxes in there. You got a couch and a booth dinette. We'll get more into that later. Huge kitchen. It has a one-piece sink, which they do across all of their floor plans, and at least in my opinion, there isn't one piece of wasted space in that kitchen. Where they can put storage, they put storage. Now, what is interesting is the ovens are actually an air fryer. I'm gonna repeat that again, an air fryer, and you get a propane electric refrigerator standard. Now, across from the couch and dinette, you have a space to put a TV with some storage underneath. And here's that big bathroom with lots of counter space, good hangable area for your towels and linens inside of a cabinet, great chicken wing space around the toilet, and a bigger, deeper shower. Now, the couch, voila, turns into a sleeper sofa, not the futon type. So you can actually stretch your legs out and fit a couple of adults on that couch when you want to have guests over to sleep. Walk around queen bed with wardrobe closets on each side. And then around the corner, again, not one piece of wasted space. Let's put some drawers and some extra areas to put clothes and things of that nature. Now what's really cool is in the top right-hand corner, there is another walkthrough video on an amazing couples travel trailer.